disconnected the wiring for the fuel pump and the sender. Unscrew the sender. Let it drain out there. Loosen this clamp. Get the cover off. Okay. And pull that boot out. I need some towels. Got a little light on there now too. Now that the pump is out of the way, I just have to remove the baffle. 10 millimeter. Wires. Okay, next we put the clamp in place. And carefully poke the toothpicks through the plastic. Push that down in place and get the clamp on top to hold it. Now we install the hoses. Feed side is yellow. Return side is blue. Install the new cover for where the fuel sender used to be. Next, we'll connect up the rubber lines, which are a little hard to see here. My car is opposite. My filter line is on the inside and the return is on the outside. Then tighten up the clamp just enough that this won't move any further. I turned it counterclockwise as far as it would go. Next, we cut and crimp all the wires as instructed in the instructions. They're staggered in length, so you have to pay careful attention. And then heat shrink them, but I'll be doing that after, outside, in a better location. There's a little too much fuel spilled around it to use the heat gun at the moment, so I'll wait till we're outside. Then you zip tie the control box to the filler neck and route the wires as carefully as possible. Connect the wires. Each will only go with one connector. There's no easy way to get that in here either.